Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to create Yahoo Japan account. Yahoo Japan is a prominent internet company in Japan, offering a wide range of services including a search engine, news portal, e-commerce platform, and various other online services. In order to create Yahoo Japan account, first you will need to open browser of your choice. Here I am using Google Chrome. From here, you'll need to type in Yahoo Japan in the search bar that is on the very top of your screen. You'll have to click on Yahoo Japan. You can see the official website of Yahoo Japan on the very first option. You'll have to click on it. This is the official homepage of Yahoo Japan. Here, you'll need to change the language from Japanese to English. From here, you'll need to click on the email option on the very top. Since we are creating your new account, you'll have to tap on the new acquisition on the very bottom. You can create account of Yahoo Japan in 3 steps. First, you'll need to add your mobile number. After you type in your phone number, you'll have to click on the next option. After that, you'll have to go to the second process where you'll need to add your email address. After you type in your email address, you'll have to again click on the next option. Then you will go through the step 3 where you'll have to do some verification. After you complete all 3 steps, you can successfully create your Yahoo Japan account. This was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to create Yahoo Japan account. Thank you for staying till the very end of this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to leave us like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.